Hey everyone! Today we're reviewing Forchics Hair Growth Oil Spray. This spray is designed to promote hair growth and improve scalp health using natural ingredients like biotin, ginseng, and angelica extract. It's vegan, hormone-free, and non-greasy, making it easy to use daily without weighing your hair down. Users love the spray bottle design for convenient application and the natural formula that nourishes the scalp. However, some people report results take several weeks, and effectiveness may vary from person to person. A few also mention the bottle size runs out quickly with frequent use. Priced around $30, it's available on the official website and major retailers like Amazon. If you're looking for a natural way to support hair growth and thickness, Forchics could be worth trying. Just remember, consistent use is key. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more quick reviews.